In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 must-have tools as a social media marketer. If you are a social media marketer or you want to be a social media marketer, this video is for you because hello everyone, my name is Sachin. I create content around social media marketing, personal branding, content creation. And as of now, I have handled 50 plus brands, helping them to generate their leads and sales, also build their brand. Our tool is answerthepublic.com. This tool has a great feature searching for content. If you are a content creator and you are stuck at a place and you have no idea what content you should create for the next, so this tool will help you to find out what content you should put next, and it will give you a bunch of ideas that you can create your content in a single click.
यही नहीं अभी और सुनिए.
It gives you like many features, what, how, is, MR type of content. Gives you bunch of content, then you can create content in a bulk. So you will never find yourself stuck that what content should come next for you. So if you are a content creator, you must have this tool for your content creating process.
समझ में आया क्या?
Number second is Canva. Yes, now you have found out that what content you should put on your sheet or on your social media. Then you need a tool which you can use to create a visual, appealing visual and or video. Then there is a Canva. If you can hire a graphic designer or video designer for yourself, then that is good. You don't need to use Canva. If you are a social media manager and you have no budget to hire a graphic designer or video designer, and you need someone who can design video for you, or you don't want to hire anyone, then this tool will help you to design your graphics within a click. Just you need to find a template that is fit to your brand, and then you can change the font, and you can change, just drag and drop things, and there will be design for you. This will help you in designing part. So this tool must have as a social media manager, marketer, or you are out of it, you must need it. Number third is Google Sheet. Yes, now you have found out that you have content, bunch of content, and you also have a tool that is for designing purpose. Now you need a organizing thing, organizing your content. To organize your content, and you need a sheet, that is Google Sheet, or you also can use Excel, MX Excel, if you can use. But there is a good part in Google Sheet that you can share anyone, like designer and anyone who is there. So Google Sheet, you can create content calendar, you can organize everything in there, so that will help you to be organized and be up to date with your content part, and you will not miss anything. So you don't need to be hurry that what next I'm going to post. So in a day you can organize your content calendar in a Google Sheet in a massive way. Number 4, that tool is very important if you are a content creator or social media marketer. This tool is very important because you know what, social media is a front. So what you have to do, whatever you are putting there need not to be any kind of error, because that shows front. So that tool is Grammarly. You must have this tool. You can install it as a Chrome extension. This will help you to find out where you need to put comma, where you need to put full stop, which word is wrong, which word need to organize in better way. This will help you best. It has free and also paid version. Which one you can afford, you can go. It's totally up to you. So this tool will help you. I have been using this tool since more than 2 years. If you use this tool, it will help you to because what happens, sometimes we are not verifying things, and this will help you to verify your content in an effective way. You don't need to check everything in a comma by way, so that will help you too. Number 5, that is final, that is ads library. Facebook ads library. Now you have figured everything, like content part and graphic part and grammarly to find out grammar mistakes and comma and other mistakes, and you have everything. Now final thing is that you want to run a campaign on Facebook, like lead generation, conversion campaign, or video campaign or other, and you have no idea what kind of content or strategy should be, then you can spy on others content. Yes, like your competitors, how they are running their ads, what type of content, what frame is there, like video, carousel, or single image. This tool will help you to find out in a quick way. Yes, so if you search there, and you can find your competitors, what they are doing, and you can see what type of content they are performing well, and this tool is good for you. Then you can find out their strategy. So that tool is very important. So these were the 5 tools that you need to be a complete social media marketer or content creator. So please, if you like this video, please like this video. The button is below. Do subscribe and share with your friends who need this video, and also please help us to grow. Thank you so much.